Commander, chapter records do indeed make mention of this Idranel, which the Eldar warlock mentioned. She is a Farseer, a witch leader of her people, and aligned with the same craft world which opposed our efforts during the Cronus campaign. Idranel is undoubtedly the leader of Eldar operations on Meridian. The Tyranid invasion continues all about the sector, but this is our opportunity to put an end to the Eldar efforts to destabilize the subsector.
Best to move quickly. Every moment here gives the Tyranid infestation time to grow.
Have our orders. Relocating. There, go!
Tarkus awaiting orders.
Look alive, this way.
Beware her sorcery. Keep your distance. Target in sight.
I have foreseen all your memory, but I will not allow you to bring ruination upon our craft world. It is time you learn what it is to face a seer of oath by the damned.
She summons the powers of the warp itself!
Engage your path.
Do not fall, brothers. It takes more
more than that to stop a space marine. Your orders.
If you pleasure in war, then you shall face an army.
None may harm the Farseer so long as we live.
Squad eliminated.
Where are we needed? Destroy.
Tactical eye of the Emperor. Standard movement. Under attack.
Engage jump packs. Redeploy! To the sky! Thaddeus here! Taking heavy
Tactical
damage!
squad. Return fire. For the Emperor!
None may harm the Farseer so long as we live.
More of them. Kill them all.
Redeploy!
I call forth the warning runes. I am armored in the runes of Albanash.
Receiving fire.
Danger! We have to move!
Get to that position, brothers.
We have battled enough for now, I think. I have other tasks to attend to on this doomed planet.
She's escaping!
I admit I have enjoyed this dalliance, humans. I may even miss you when you are ash and cinders.
Ash and cinders. Tyranids drain worlds of life. They do not burn them.
Zeal and fury are rewarded with victory. The alien witch escaped! She laughs at us while our worlds die!
Commander, I share your sergeant's frustration, but I have far graver news. I have finally obtained the master control codes for Angel Forge and have transmitted them to your ship and to Captain Angelo's fleet. I fear it may be too late to do you any good, however. Another Tyranid swarm is driving into the Forge area. Massive defensive walls guard the approach to the Forge, but the Imperial Guard forces stationed there are being overrun.
Your delaying and politicking has doomed us all, DeRosa.
If so, I'm sure my end will be suitably horrific, Sergeant. I only wish I could say the same of Governor Vandis.
What do you mean?
I make no excuses for my mistakes, but I have been fighting to get those codes for you for days. The governor simply ordered me to continue delaying you, and then stopped answering me altogether. When I finally dealt with the House Vandis soldiers guarding his residence, I found he had left the Meridian system for some private retreat 3 sectors away. I did find the codes for Angel Forge, however.
You took a real risk, Administrator. They could hang you for treason if the Governor returns.
Governor Vandis turned tail and left the entire sector to die. Your commander is here, fighting to save it. If anything, I was far too slow to see where my loyalties belonged.
I think she missed her calling. She should have been a sister of battle.